So, multiply the binomials using FOIL method. So, ito yung FOIL natin. First, this is 2x times x. So, i-multiply natin yan. That's, okay, 2x, then x. And that would be 2 times 1 is 2. Then, x squared. Next thing to do, yung ating outer. Then, 2x. Then, multiply by 11. That give us 2 times 11 is 22, and then copy the x. Next in line natin yung inner. So we have negative 6, and then x, and that would be equal to negative 6x. Then yung last natin, that is negative 6 times 11. So negative 6 times 11. And that give us negative 66. So add these two because they are the same x. So we have positive 16x. To sum up, we have a 2x squared, and then plus 16x minus 66, and that would be our answer. Thank you.